All right, if you're in Google Drive here, this is what you should see. I'll point out first, this is the later version of Google Drive. You may have an older version of Google Drive. So if you go to the website and you've got a big red button that says Create right here instead of New, then you have what they're calling the classic Google Drive. Most people have switched over to this new Google Drive interface, so this is probably what you have. But if you don't have this, if you have Create, there's another set of videos that you should be watching that demonstrate how to use Classic Drive. All right, let me examine just a little bit here the interface that you're going to see. On the left-hand side is a navigation pane right here, and you can click on these items, and then in this area you will see the content that you've clicked on over here. So I'm going to switch this into what we call Listview. Yours may show up as Listview to start with, but you can switch it to Grid View if you'd like it to be in Grid View. I'm going to stay in Listview because it lists the documents that I have in my drive by name, and it's a little easier to navigate, especially if you're used to Windows Explorer. So I'm going to go through these items over here. If you click on Shared with Me, you'll see folders or documents that other people have shared with you. We'll talk about that later. There's Google Photos now. You can take your photos and put them directly into Drive, which is a really handy thing, especially if you've got an Android phone. Your Google Photos can be uploaded directly into Drive. If you use recently, this would display all your recently used documents. If you click on it, Starred would display all of the items that you've starred, which are probably the more important documents, so you can get to them quickly. And then Trash shows all of the documents that you've deleted, but they haven't been removed from Google Drive yet. Down here below is an interesting item. It is Drive for PC. Now, an interesting thing about storing things in the cloud, the idea of storing things in the cloud is that you can put everything up into Google Drive, up on the internet in the cloud, so that you can get to them from all your devices. You can get to them from your phone, you can get to them from your computer, you can get to them from your tablet. They're all in one location. You can get to them from your home PC, from your work PC. So the idea of cloud storage is you don't need to install anything on your device typically. Just have a web browser and you can go to the website and get to your documents. And that's what I've got here. But if you want to, you can install this program called Drive for PC. And it will install a program on your PC that allows you to synchronize the files that are on your PC with what you've got in the cloud. You don't actually have to have this. You can upload and download, and I'll show you how to do that in a later video. So don't get Drive for PC just yet, but it is a useful program once you're using Google Drive. And if you use Google Drive along with your PC and you store certain things to your PC, they'll automatically get sent up to Google Drive and vice versa. So that's the general interface for Google Drive, and we'll next look at how to create a document in Google Drive.